Hello everyone, it's Loretta, and today I have another craft fair project for you. This is super easy, super inexpensive to make, and very easily mass produced. For today's project, you're going to need some scrapbooking paper, a notepad, pen, laminator, ribbon, some stickers, just your general craft supplies, scissors, glue, all that good stuff. So, the thing that makes this so great is it's a Dollar Tree 5x7 photo holder. So it would normally sit up like this, and the photo would go here. In the past, I've turned them like this, and we've made a notepad holder out of them this way. Well, this is even better because it will hold your cell phone. Obviously, I am filming with my cell phone, so my iPod is standing in for this job. I want to show you something that's very important with this project. You want a picture frame that when it's on its back, it's going to be longer than it is wide. So even though this is a nice acrylic photo frame and would be fabulous for the little notepad idea, it wouldn't work as well for a cell phone holder just because there's not enough room here for both your phone and a notepad. The first thing we're going to do is use our paper trimmer and cut our paper to 6 3/4 by 5 3/4. Excuse me, we're going to cut our paper to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Now this step is actually optional, but I recommend it only because people are taking their cell phone on and off of this project. It's going to cause the paper to wear. And to keep that from happening quite as much, you can just use a laminate sheet and laminate your project. I'm going to cut this to 5 inches by 7 inches. My laminating machine is warming up. You want to take the time and make sure that your paper is straight so that the finished project looks really nice. Using my frame as a guide, I simply laid it on top of my scrapbooking paper and traced around it. Now we're going to cut it out. Do a little dry fitting here. It's actually a little tiny bit too wide and too high. Easy enough fix with a pair of scissors. You can also do it like this, which is even easier. You can take some liquid glue, in this case Glossy Accents is perfect. Put this right inside and simply trim this off. Just like that. You're going to want to squeeze out any excess glue. When it dries, you're not going to really see it. To finish this edge right here up, we're going to take a hot glue gun and some lace. Once again, you're going to want some scissors to neaten up these edges and just take off the excess. Okay, now that I have my lace down, I'm going to take my scrapbooking paper, which I laminated, and slip it inside. For the Post-it note holder, you're going to want a scrap of paper that measures 3 1/4 by 8 inches. You can obviously get a bunch of these out of a sheet of scrapbook paper or regular cardstock or whatever you're using. Now you can use a bone folder, but I prefer a stylus. And we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. Now, when you are using something that's a little thicker, it's a good idea to fold these embossed lines towards you. This will help keep it from cracking to an extent. All right, I'm going to cut the layering pieces for the cover of my notepad. The first one measures 2 3/4 by 3, and the second one is going to measure 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. This is where we're going to make a loop for our pen. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and place our notepad inside. And you're going to want to glue this down. This is roomy so that whomever receives it will be able to get to the notepad fairly easily. You're just going to want to center that. Now we're going to take our ribbon. I prefer using these RSVP pens because you can do the barrel and put paper inside to match your project. So what I'm going to do is real gently hold that open. No one's ever going to see this. Please keep that in mind. Now you're going to put your pen down. And you're going to put another line of hot glue. I have some Velcro in my stash, and you don't need a lot, but I have one that I've already done ahead of time. I've cut this down to about 1/4 inch by maybe 2 inches or so. You can also close this with magnets, but I found that using some Velcro is perfect. This is sticky back, which makes it even easier. This layer actually measures 2 7/8 by 2 5/8. All measurements will be on my blog. I will leave the link down below to the project so that all you have to do is click on that and go over to my blog. This is just 2-inch score tape. And you're going to eyeball this to where you want it to be. Of course, you can measure that. So we're going to decorate the top of this. And you can use whatever you like. But many of the paper packs that you can purchase do come with sticker sheets. And so today I am going to use this. I love this life sticker toward the bottom. And I'm going to use these fun flower stickers on top of that sentiment. All right, this is the finished project. I'm going to be charging $5 a piece for these. I do think it's worth the money. Let me know down below if you think it should be less. than that? I really don't think so. I think it will actually sell really well at this price point. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or send me an email. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos on your social media. Stay happy, be a blessing. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.